All right, artists, let's get started. To start, you need a piece of paper, a pencil, and some scissors. All right, whatever piece of paper you're using, whether it's scrap notebook paper or graph paper or even recycled magazine paper, it's probably going to be a rectangle. For our snowflakes, we need them to be squares before we can make them like this. So, to make our rectangle paper a square, I'm going to meet this edge to this edge by taking this corner and bringing it all the way until my edges touch. When they're lined up, I'll fold it all the way down. From here, I'm going to cut this entire strip off. I'm going to use my scissors to carefully cut along the edge of my fold. Okay. Now I have a triangle, and if I unfold it, I have a square. So from here, when our paper is a square, we need to fold it into a triangle 3 times. So the first one, then we're going to take corner to corner. Make sure they're completely lined up. And fold 2. And then corner to corner for 3. All right. Now I have a smaller triangle. So I'm going to turn it this way. From this point, you can draw your design. I'm going to draw designs along this edge and this edge to cut. All right. I'm going to do some triangles because I think that will be the easiest to cut. So to get those triangle shapes, we need to draw some zigzag lines on this part. So I'm going to draw down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'm going to repeat that on this side. So from the corner, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. Now, I think I want these 2 edges to meet, so I'm going to erase what I drew, which is why it's good to draw your design first. And I think I'm just going to go up into a triangle, almost like a W. Now, from here, you could just cut it out and be done, or you could add some more details. I'm going to add some zigzag lines along my bottom edge to be, here, I'm going to fix this. When we cut that out, it's going to be a really cool star shape. And I'm also going to add some details on these sides. Just some triangles. Okay. Now, if you're confident and comfortable with what you drew, you can go ahead and start cutting out. If there's anything that you want to change because you think it won't look right, go ahead and do that now before you cut. So I'm just going to review my design and I'm going to start cutting. Now, because I drew zigzags, the best way to cut them out is going to be like this. Cut, cut. That will stop me from having to move my hands in uncomfortable ways or bend my paper. Let's try it again. Cut, cut. Perfect. I'm going to keep going until I have it all cut out. Cut, 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 cut. All right, so the general shape is cut out. Now I just need to do my small details. I'm gonna be very careful on these parts because snowflakes are very fragile and I don't wanna cut out anything that I want to keep. Again, I'm keeping up with my cut, cut pattern. Cut, 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 cut. All right, once I am done cutting, I make sure that I cut all the lines I wanted to. I'm gonna unfold. You want to be very careful unfolding because snowflakes have such thin edges, they can easily tear. So I'm just gonna be very gentle while I unfold. All right, there is my snowflake. At this point, you can press it in a book if you want it to lay flat. If you like the way it looks folded, then you're done. Go ahead and hang it up, decorate with it, whatever you want.